Hi friends. Today we're repairing a Samsung TV with a problem where there's a dark spot in the corner of the screen. If it's the backlight, it can be fixed. I've never seen this kind of defect before. So let me show you the full name of the TV. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. We remove the back cover and this is what we see. On the left side, you need to remove the wire to remove the cover. After disassembling the TV, I noticed a darkening of the right side. Notice there's some black dust, and there's a strong burning smell near the plug. Black carbon deposits are visible everywhere where there were holes. Notice how big the dark spot is. It looks like something exploded inside. I bought a TV exactly like mine and want to combine the two into one. I'll try installing a working matrix in the TV I bought, and it should work. I discovered that the matrix on the TV is different. My TV has 3 ribbon cables, while the one I bought has 4. The TVs are identical in name. I checked and saw that the serial numbers don't match, even though the TVs have the same name. The bezels are also different. The internals are also different, and the ribbon cables don't match. Maybe something here does match. Let's check it visually. The power supplies are most likely interchangeable. Next, we have the main board, which looks identical, but may have different firmware. The black ribbon cable is also the same, but the output with the two ribbon cables is different. The second TV is practically useless, but it works. I tried replacing the boards and backlight, and after that, the TV turned on but had a green backlight. The entire screen was green. Now I only replaced the old reflector, and as you can see, everything works. The side plate doesn't fit either. Only the LED backlight fits, which I'll install on my TV. As you can see, the TV now works perfectly, and the picture is fantastic. So, I replaced the LED backlight and the white reflector, but I left everything else as it was on the old TV. The only parts that can be interchanged between these TVs are the backlight where the LEDs are located, and the power supply, which is also the same. The white reflector can also be replaced. But otherwise, these are completely different TVs. Well, that's it. Friends, another device repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in the next videos. Bye.